Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Today we have cheesy, very creamy, very delicious, full of flavor. Good. Let's get started. Pie. I didn't add any salt to my water because of all the added salt from all the other ingredients in the total meal. I have come to love making a cheese sauce when I'm making a pie. Now, typically in Trinidad, we don't really make a cheese sauce or that kind of thing. One of these days I'll make a classic Trinidad pie, but I have come to love how a cheese sauce will make pie taste extremely creamy up. And you don't need to use that type of creamer. You can use a full cream milk, a heavy cream, alright? And as I said, all of the ingredients from the season that was added to this would be in the comment section. Alright? I also want to suggest, if you wish, you can also add an extra layer of cheese on top before putting it in the oven, but I didn't because I am really trying to control my eating and my diet is working well for me, so I don't like to stretch it a little too much. Sometimes I'm stretching it right now by even making these type of really rich dishes. So I didn't want to be extra and added extra cheese to make it extra fattening and unhealthy. Alright, so that cream, coconut cream, pigeon peas, whoo, that thing was delicious. So that brine stew fish, look, everything was just good. And if you haven't checked out those other two recipes, give it a try. And a must have was the pepper sauce. Thanks for watching. Bye.